Now, dear student, let us take one numerical on Henry law. This is NCERT based numerical. If N2 gas is bubbled through water, N2 gas is bubbled through water means N2 gas को water में pass किया at given temperature 298 Kelvin temperature, then how many millimoles of N2 gas would dissolve in 1 liter of water? Partial pressure of nitrogen gas is given and Henry law constant is given. So what is its solution? You know, solubility is related to mole fraction in aqueous solution. Then as per rule, as per law, P is equal to KH into X. X means number of mole of N2, we can simply say. So what is the number of mole of N2 gas? Here it is P upon KH, and P is 0.987 bar and this is K bar. So kilobar will be multiplied by 1000, so it will be 76 into 48 into 1000, and this value will come after calculation. X N2 is equal to 1.29 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 5. What is the unit of mole fraction? It is dimensionless, so there is no unit for mole fraction. So number of mole of N2 in that solution is 1.29 to 10 to the power minus 5. Also you know that mole fraction is equal to number of mole of N2 divided by number of mole of N2 plus number of mole of solvent, and here solvent is water. So how many number of mole of water present in 1 liter water? So you know 1 liter water is equal to 1000 gram. 1 liter water is equal to 1000 gram because density of water is 1. Density of water is 1. So you know mass is equal to density into volume. So volume is 1000 ml, 1000 ml, 1000 cc. So 1000 cc, 1000 ml or 1 liter contain 1000. So its number of mole will be amount of substance divided by molar mass, that is it will be 55.55 simply. So here put the value of this number of mole, 1.29 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to number of mole of nitrogen divided by if number of mole of water is too small, then we can ignore this value, it is equal to N. So N is equal to N into 1.29 to 10 to the power minus 5. And what is N here? It is 55.55 into 1.29 to 10 to the power minus 5. And here N will come after simplification, it will come 7.16 into 10 to the power minus 4. When you will simplify it, then it is in mole, and to calculate in millimole, multiply by 1000. So it will be 7.16 10 to the power minus 1, that means 0.716 millimole. This is the answer. So one question generally asked in board exam, in any one set, numerical, 2 marks numerical, 3 marks numerical. So we can simplify by using this formula. Henry law constant is given, pressure is given, and we have to find out the mole fraction of nitrogen by using this formula. This value is given in kilobar, this value is given in bar. So kilobar multiplied by 1000, it will change to bar, and mole fraction of nitrogen gas in that solution will be this. Now you know mole fraction of a component is equal to mole fraction of that number of mole of that component divided by total number of mole. Here n is ignored because capital N means number of mole of what is too high, too large, and we can ignore. So this value is equal to, this value is taken from here, and this value is equal to n upon n, and small n number of mole of nitrogen is n, capital N means number of mole of water, and so we can simply calculate the value here.